What's the style? What are we working with? How do you...
I don't know. I don't even know what a tanka is.
What? Okay, I gotta open up WhatsApp. Mom. Assalamu alaikum. Mom, quick question. I'm gonna call Dave Chang real quick.
Yo, what's up?
How are you?
I'm hanging in there. Long time no talk. It's been a while.
I know. 13-month slumber party.
The world is a very different place last we saw each other.
Yeah, but for you specifically, how you doing, Papa number 2?
Just doing whatever I can to keep Grace happy. That's my job right now.
Right. The sequel is coming very soon for your family.
Yes. I can't wait to join the double kid club.
The problem is you go from zone defense to man. As soon as they let you and Hugo in, bring Hugo right to her, because she's gonna feel super vulnerable being away from him that long.
Okay.
So whatever you gotta coach him to memorize, like, I missed you so much, mommy. Like, I kind of got my daughter to memorize all this stuff. Like, she hugged Bina and she was like, we're a family. I straight up coached her like she was running for Senate.
I'm gonna take those notes, I will apply them. But I mean, did you think you'd ever spend this much time with your kid?
I never thought I would spend this much time with family. I thought, oh, it'll be really great. I'll be at home, I can write. And sure, I can do all those things, and I have been doing those things, but I did not know that being on stage and being in front of people and collaborating artistically with other creative people was such a big part of who I am.
Yeah, I didn't realize that not having a traditional schedule was sort of my life, right? Every day I didn't know exactly what was gonna happen. And the one thing that sort of filled that void was being a full-time dad. It has been exhausting as all hell.
Yeah.
I don't know how my mom raised 4 kids basically by herself without speaking the language.
That's crazy. I gotta give you a huge thanks. It was our wedding anniversary in the middle of the pandemic, and I didn't know what to do. And you connected me with one of your close friends who came and cooked me and Bean this incredible anniversary dinner. You saved a marriage, man.
That's what I do.
Yeah, it was amazing. Oh, by the way, before I forget, we have a bunch of boxes we gotta open, so do you wanna just open up these Target boxes? This has been the thrill and joy of the pandemic, getting brown boxes delivered to your front door and opening them. Oh, nice. Dave, coming through. Let's go.
Magic Bullet. That is one of the best, most used tools in my kitchen. You got me Capital City Mambo sauce.
Target supporting a bunch of Black-owned businesses, and so they made that really great sauce. So Dave, you know that the theme is comfort food, right?
When I think about home cooking, the first dish I think about is my mom's Bindaetteok. It's that feeling of comfort, feeling of love. It is a different way of expressing values and history and all of these things and making it delicious. The food may not always be perfect, but the intent is.
We got sesame oil, rice vinegar, soy sauce, turmeric, sesame seed, cumin, chili powder, and then Mediterranean sea salt. Dave, this is too many ingredients.
No, it's not. All of this stuff you should have anyway. These are basic, essential pantry items. You'd be surprised how many people don't have the basic essentials. Have a good cutting board. This is going to pay dividends, and it's also very safe when you start using a knife.
How serious are you, honestly, about measuring cups?
I don't use them ever.
So wait, you guesstimate?
Yeah. When you're cooking sort of higher end food, you're trying to hit the bullseye in the target. At home, I just want to hit the target. And I just realized the play on the word target.
One of my favorite dishes is just something simple like Dal Chawal that my mom makes. So I think it's great that we're doing comfort food. The problem is, I'm not my mom.
Wait, you're telling me you've never made Dal Chawal?
Never. I thought it'd be really great if you showed me how to do that and then I could surprise Bina with Dal Chawal.
This is good. It's expanding people's understanding. If they're not from, you know, Indian culture or Korean culture, that there's more similarities than there are differences. And I think that's great. It's what I love most about food.
Dave, you gotta guide me, man.
I want to get some rice cooked off. I pre-soaked some basmati, and I'm gonna do like 4 cups of rice.
This is a whole cup.
Yeah,
So
right?
4 of these cups.
We're using your mom's recipe.
I know.
She says to put salt and a couple tablespoons of oil. into the rice.
How much? What do I do?
I just put like a couple glugs.
All right.
I'm just following your mom's orders, man. Glug, 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 good. And then let's put it on like medium-high heat, covered.
People are gonna be so mad, and then also gonna be like, of course, he grew up in an Indian household. Like, he's just an Indian boy that showed up, and there was Dal Chawal that was just made.
All right, let's get the dal started. Your mom's recipe is for half a cup of dal. Let's double it up.
1 cup of dal, 4 cups of water?
Correct. Put it on low heat because we gotta get some mise en place done for everything else.
Okay, we got it.
All right, we're gonna put all of the herbs and all the spices into this, mix it up so you don't have to cut anything. Let's put like 3 cloves of garlic into this guy.
How do I do this?
What is that?
How do I even,
So on your cutting board, smash it with your hand.
just like straight up?
Yeah. See? Okay, good, stop, stop, stop.
Okay, some of these little things popped out.
Yeah, perfect.
Do I peel the paper off of it?
Yes, please.
Got it.
Man, you really don't cook at all.
At all, man.
Wow. I'm happy to be like guiding you like a Sherpa on this. How are your knife skills?
Not good.
Okay, so I'm gonna help you out here. We're gonna put the tomatoes and 1/4 of an onion into this thing.
There we go.
Oh, that is, what are you doing?
Wait. Is there like a...
That is the most insane way I've ever seen anyone cut anything.
What's wrong with me going like this and then pushing?
No, because things can go wrong.
Okay, you show me how to, because
So you never want your fingers out, ever. Look how I'm holding this. You're going like this. Okay. That's so dangerous.
You want them like this, Cro-Magnon style, Tarzan.
Yeah. If you are gonna use something like this, always use the back end, because you have more of a base. Yep.
All right.
Now, take some of that excess broth that's in your dal that's cooking right now, and just pour 1 ladle of it into this. None of this is in your mom's recipe, so she's gonna be like, what are you doing?
You're just remixing. Got it. I just push down on the magic bullet?
Yes, please. What's happening? It's not working. It's not doing what mine did. Yeah, just shake it up.
Okay.
All right, now let's pour it into the dal, the whole thing.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Maybe I'm celebrating too early. I've never been more proud of myself. And I'm saying that as a person who was in the room during the natural birth of my 2 children. I've cut 2 umbilical cords in my life, and I still feel like I've done more by doing this.
Oh, Lord. I'm just defending an entire country here.
You know, I don't want to put pressure on you. It's not just a country. It's actually an entire subcontinent.
So one of the things your mom does is called a tadka. You gotta add oil, cumin seeds, chopped garlic, and onions.
What's the style? What are we working with? How do you...
I don't know. I don't even know what a tadka is.
What? Okay, I gotta open up WhatsApp. Mom. Assalamu alaikum. Mom, quick question. Darka, this is the topping, right? At the very top, right?
The tarka is it's a topping on the end, and it gives the flavor and the look also. It makes it very appealing and tasty, and people feel like, oh, this is so good.
Okay, got it. Okay, thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Love you, beta.
Jello, love you. Khudafis.
Khudafis.
Yes, this is like the topping at the end.
We really could have used her help earlier.
Totally. Dude, we have to do a pancake too?
Yeah. We're going to make my mom's Bindaetteok. This is a real staple for the Chang household. So there's a lot of different ways to make it, but I soak some lentils. Usually this is made with mung bean. And I soaked some of the basmati rice that we cooked earlier, and I'm just gonna add it to the magic bullet.
It's not just that we're doing 2 traditional dishes from where we're from. It's the fact that it's our mom's dishes.
Yeah.
We cannot mess this up. I'm not gonna lie, man, I like the way this looks.
Yeah, and you're gonna add like a handful of bean sprouts to this mixture as well.
I'm not even judging if that was a good grip. I'm just going.
Dude, you're in the zone. You're doing great.
Let's go.
I'm gonna start cooking mine, and And I'm just gonna make a nice pancake layer in my pan.
And I just lay it flat, like I'm laying cement.
Correct. Oh man, I feel like I'm making our mom so upset.
Yeah, the bottom's crisp. You want me to flip it?
All right, then give it a flip with the spatula.
I gotta get under there.
You did it. That looks good.
This looks right. Well, I don't even know what right is.
Let's worry about making your tteok. So in another pan, add some thinly sliced onion and the cumin seeds and 1 smashed garlic.
All right, I just did the garlic, and then how much cumin?
Your mom says no measurement. It's just add cumin seeds.
It's just like believe in God and throw in how much you want?
Exactly. All right, everything's cooked and we should just start plating now.
Right. Yeah. Why not? Oh, yours is looking super crisp.
Put like a little dent in the middle so I can pour the tteok on it, and this is what I'm gonna do.
Bro.
We made it.
I mean, there's honestly some Hollywood magic behind us. Obviously, we took a beat. I had to clean up the wreckage. Dude, I can't believe it actually is, it looks like food.
We found a way to make it there. It wasn't always pretty, but
Yeah.
all that matters is, does it taste good?
By the way, Dave, I got all my digits.
Truly, that was the most fearful I had been.
All right, before we surprise Bina, I'm gonna do a quick test drive. So I'm gonna take a little bit of dal with a little bit of tteok on top. Here we go. You know what, man? And I mean this honestly, it's not horrible.
It's not bad.
Here we go.
If this isn't good, I
Dude,
feel
come
like
on this
it's my responsibility.
I want you to be honest.
Bina, don't lie.
Bina, do not lie.
Give your husband the business.
Can I get the not burned part?
Just liquid or not liquid?
No liquid.
Now I'm more nervous than when you were slicing the onion.
Be honest.
I'm honestly impressed. It's not bad.
Not bad means
I mean, it could use a little bit of salt, but it's really not horrible.
Okay, then do 2 more bites to prove it. This is kind of dope. My pancake, I wanted it to be round, but it kind of looks like Africa a little bit, or Brazil. So I just take this, I'll just do a dip.
little dip.
Okay. This is actually pretty good.
I just took what you made and pureed it and turned it into a pancake.
That's incredible. I'm pretty satisfied with this very chaotic yet eventful day.
But that's what home cooking is, really.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
perfectly perfect is how I think about what home cooking should be. Home cooking is about being social, trying to feed somebody and nourish somebody. And I know that sounds cheesy, but it's true. I think that's the big difference.
So the comfort food was edible. Bina enjoyed it. The amazing cutlery and plates are here to stay. Thank you, Target, for bringing us together.
It was good to catch up, learn about fatherhood in different ways. I need these kinds of tips. Keep on sending them my way. I don't get to cook for you in person, but this is the next best thing.
We came, we saw, we cooked, we destroyed my kitchen. We gotta go.
It's time to clean up properly.
I'll see you soon, Papa.
See you, buddy.
Peace. Hey, thank you so much for watching this episode. I had so much fun hanging with Dave Chang and cooking comfort food and hanging with all of you. Make sure you subscribe to Target's YouTube channel, and if you like this episode, make sure you check out the other episodes of Let's Target. By the way, if you want to purchase anything that you've seen in the episode, you can just click the link right up there. It's right there.